The Select. It's been there standing for more than 35 years. Concept of the restaurant, we do the food as like a French bistro, very classic, fresh ingredients, light flavors, light sauces, kind of actually makes you forget that you're sitting in Toronto. The reason behind choosing Garland, the quality of the service, helping in every stages, like going from design to fixing the units or customizing to our needs and giving the suggestions. I love working with Garland. It's getting made local. It's very convenient for us to just give them a call. We had like couple challenges. One challenge was like getting that big island unit down 15 flights of stairs. Second challenge we saw with the gas connection lines. Garland helped us. Their technician was here the next day in the morning. The first drawing, I still remember, it was just like a rough sketch. And after that, like we did couple reversions of that. The day we came to your facility, like I get to see our kitchen island for the first time. It was like dream come true for me. Like seeing that island in front of my eyes, like it was great experience for me. I was very excited to use that kitchen suites. We usually use that 6-stop burner that we have on the island. That usually gets used for our entremetier or like a wet station. You turn on the burner and then you have that high heat. Second component that we have like 2 big French tops on our island. You get like that pan hot like right in like 20-30 seconds. Plus we have another flat top where we use that flat top for searing burgers, like reheating steaks. It's a really amazing journey for me. So I'll for sure use Garland Canada in my future projects. Garland will be my first choice.